Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make some baked donuts. Start off by preheating your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Add an egg to a bowl with your sugar and flour, and then add in some milk, vanilla extract, and vegetable oil, and whisk this together until it's nice and smooth like this. Put the mixture in a piping bag and pipe the mixture into your prepared donut tray. Bake in the oven for 4 to 6 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Remove them from the oven and then start removing the donuts and putting them on the cooling rack to cool completely. When they've cooled, you can decorate them like I'm doing here with some water icing. Just dip them in water icing and just use a spoon to get some icing off the middle, and then put them on a plate, and you can sprinkle some sprinkles on top, and that's it. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. It's nice and cooked through. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.